What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to share publicly, how to share with public online real-time data from your Google Analytics for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to Google and type Locker Studio, just like this, okay? Guys, you're gonna be able to create reports like this one, okay? So this is an interactive report that anyone with the link can see. Simple, right? But how? Go to Locker Studio, click into the first result, lockerstudio.google.com. After doing your login, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one, and there is pre-built templates, ECMA marketing, Search Console report, GA4 report, okay? And in this video, we're gonna learn how to create a GA4 report. Click on it, wait while the loads happens. Then you're gonna be able to see a button to the upper right corner of your screen. Next to edit and share, there is this button GA4, use my own data. Click on it. Then select your property, okay? And the Locker Studio gonna load the data from this domain. In this case, I'm using the growth.net domain, okay? So if all the data is okay, if all is properly loading, you can simply click into this button, edit and share. You can see details and customize every single part of this in the case that you want. And if not needed, all you have to do is click on share. Link settings, it's restricted. Public, everyone of my company, it can be public, there's no problem. Get report link to current report is this one. Simple, right? And in the case that you want, you can keep editing the report in all the needs you have, okay? All the information can be fully customized. If you click into this gear, you're gonna be able to check other access settings, okay? Disable viewer from getting sliders, you can disable other options. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link settings is restricted. I'm gonna use the public option, just like this, and anyone with public access can view, not edit. This is important, okay, for your security. And you can save the changes. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.